Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine and I'm really excited because I, over the past couple of months, I would say have developed a really great skincare routine that I feel like works really well personally for my skin type. And also, most importantly, it is inexpensive because we don't have any $30 toners or $50 skin cleansing whatevers. Like, we don't have time for that. We don't have the money for that. Like, we are on a budget here. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I will link all the products down below. I'll probably forget. Remind me. I won't be upset about it. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm getting ready to get into the shower, and personally, if it's just a normal school day like today, I was wearing a little bit of mascara, put a little on my brows, and then did a little highlighter on my nose. Literally nothing crazy. So usually what I do is I just use my face wash that I'll show you guys in a minute to just wash my face, because I don't really need any like makeup removing things or anything like that. But just if I were going to have a lot of makeup on, or if I just did a makeup look or something, I will use the Clinique Take the Day Off. This thing is amazing. It's a lifesaver. All of your makeup comes off, whether it's lashes, lips, a really heavy eyeshadow, whatever, it comes off, foundation. It's amazing. This stuff is awesome. And then I just use like a little like cotton pad or something. So yeah. Alright, so lucky for you guys, it's going to be vlog style because I don't really feel like having to like make it like super fancy and whatever, and like, you know. I just finished showering, and before you guys comment anything, yes, orange is my color. I am aware of that. My hair is currently drying. So I didn't show this because like I just do it in the shower, and I didn't really feel like doing it in the sink because that's just a whole mess. The water goes everywhere. Not how I do it. But I like to use the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, and I kind of use this interchangeably with the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. I've used this for probably 2 to 3 years and I really like it. This was in the past 6 months and I feel like it works pretty well. Alrighty, so right after I get out of the shower, I just like to sort of dry my face with like one of these towels, but I try to be gentle because I don't want to like rub it, but you know, whatever happens kind of happens. So next I take my Cetaphil. This is the moisturizing lotion, and I used to put it all over my face, but then I started to realize that my nose gets so dry and the rest of my skin really doesn't. So I like to take this little bad boy and I just like to put a little bit on my hand, and then I just put it and really just focus it on my nose, especially the sides, because I notice when I'm doing my makeup, it is just so dry there, and I feel like this works. So alright, so next I have some other random little products that I personally use. So I love spraying my badescu. This is my second bottle or third bottle. I'm almost out. This is actually really affordable. It's only $7 for this big of a bottle, which lasts you like months. Any time of the day, I just spritz this on me, and I just love the smell, and it's so refreshing. It just like wakes you right up, which I love. I got this in my Ipsy, but it is a Blaq, or I'm assuming it's Blaq because there's like an accent, hydrating and calming serum. So I kind of, sometimes I'll take a little bit of this and just kind of put it on my nose as well, and then like in my T-zone, but it's like not really my T-zone, I feel like, because like I don't like putting a ton of stuff on my forehead because it is my biggest problem area. And then I found this, I watched this like makeup Instagram person, she uses this e.l.f. eye serum, and so I was like, okay, I'll buy it. It's like $2. Again, like this stuff is so inexpensive. I will also obviously put on my sugar cookie chapstick. This I put on, I have one in my purse, one in the car, one at school, one at home, one in my backpack. Like, I have this all the time. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after I shower, if you guys are wondering. And so now I think I'm gonna kind of move on to more products that I use occasionally. But okay, so I liked this lighting at the beginning, but now I'm trying to figure out like how stupid it actually looks. Whatever. I have this Clinique purifying charcoal mask, of course, and then I have this mask by blaq, and it is again a charcoal mask, but oh my goodness, okay, I didn't realize it was peel off. Don't put it all over your whole face. I'm like, my hair is getting pulled out on the sides and like my chin, like it was just a whole mess. So just don't make the mistake that I did. I have quite a few other masks that I get Ipsy's, birthday, Christmas, whatever. So this last thing for like my actual face is kind of random, but this is I got this at Sephora. It's a Skin Laundry Daily Moisturizer. It is SPF 35, and And I don't wear it a ton because like in the winter I'm not as worried about it, but definitely in the summer I think it's so important to just put some sort of SPF on, especially on your face every single day, whether you're going to the pool or the beach or not. Two different exfoliating things that I really like, and they definitely keep my lips super soft. Like I said, I used to have really gross lips, and then I was like, I need to step my game up. So I have this little container, which is just a homemade sugar lip scrub that I made. And then I also have this e.l.f. It's like $2, I don't know. It's a lip exfoliator, and you just rub it on whatever and then put on chapstick, and it honestly works really well. And also it's really nice if you want like a natural tint to your lips, because like it like irritates them so they turn like a bright red. So yeah, that is my skincare routine. I personally am happy with it. And also I feel like one thing that I've noticed by watching a lot of skincare routine videos, whatever, is that it really is a lot about genes. And if your parents have really bad acne, I feel like it's more likely that you will. I'm very fortunate to where my skin is very, very good, and like I really don't have to worry about my skin a ton. So yeah, I just think I wanted to say that because I feel like I can tell you and give you as many tips, or people can give you as many expensive products that you can try, and it just might not work for your skin type. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.